Welcome to another Simple Dad Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to apply text-to-speech feature on your Capcut videos. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or your social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So text-to-speech feature is where you enter a text and you can turn that text into a speech. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up Capcut. Next you want to tap on New Project. Now you want to import a video, for example this one here. Next you want to add text, so tap on text at the bottom. Now add text. And here I'll add my text. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I'll move this text at the top here. Make sure the text is selected. And down below here you'll see option text-to-speech. Go ahead and tap on it. This will now give you a variety of voices which you can choose from. One of the most famous voices here as well, Trickster from TikTok. So go ahead and select that. This will now start to analyze your text and will start to speak in the background.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
And once you're happy with that, tap on the tick at the bottom right. This will now generate the text-to-speech feature on your video and will apply it to your timeline. Tap on play and now you can preview your text-to-speech feature on your video. So there you go, that is how to apply the text-to-speech feature on your video on Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.